Hey everyone, it's Megan with CraftyPlannerLovR here, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. In today's video, we are going to be planning in my health and wellness planner for the week of February 12th through the 18th using this lovely kit by PlannerSisterSticker. This video is part of the YouTube Collab Loop created by the lovely Lisa Marie here on YouTube, Instagram, and all of that fun social media stuff. And she is just amazing. She created this loop and it was so popular that she had to actually create a second loop. So this is that second loop that she created. So there is one on the second Wednesday of the month and then one on the fourth Wednesday of the month. This loop's theme is hearts. So I thought this kit was perfect because it has tons of heart themes, and like the washi tape is even heart themed, and there's tons of heart candies in here. I thought it would be the perfect Valentine's Day kit, but the perfect theme for the month. So we're going to be planning in my daily pages for this month, and I'm going to basically be talking about the loop and all that fun stuff. So if you have never participated or heard of a YouTube collab loop before, basically you will start with a video. So for example, say this is the first video that you started with. You will start with this video, you will watch the video, and then at the end of the video there will be a link in the description box that you will click on to go to the next video, and then you'll just continue that step all the way through until you get back to the very first video you watched. So for example, say you watched my video first. So you would go through that video, watch it, and hopefully like and comment. Then you'd go to the description box and you'd click on the video, and that would take you to the next person's video, and so on. You just continue that, and then you get back to my video, and that means you've completed it. So I really hope you guys enjoy this, and I'm very excited to plan this spread with you. So let's go ahead and get started. So I am literally just putting all of these stickers on the spread in any way I can because I have used a PlannerSisterSticker kit in my daily pages before. I kind of know what I need to do in order to make it all work together. Especially I wanted to have work in as much of this heart washi as much as possible because I wanted it to coincide and match. I actually like decorating for Valentine's Day and my planners more than anything because pink is my favorite color, and I love the color combination of pink, red, and purple. I think they're just so pretty together, which is why I really loved this kit. And as soon as I saw it, I was like, yep, this is exactly what I've got to do for the Hearts Loop theme. I've got to do it. I was so excited to set this video up and to plan. So I really hope you guys are enjoying it just as much as I do. So this week is going to be very stressful. So I'm going into surgery on the 9th. I'm getting my gallbladder removed. So that's going to be a time and a half. At the current time of me filming, I have not had it removed yet. So I don't even know how it went. This is a future video, so you guys will know how it went before I do. But yeah, like I said, it's going to be very stressful because I've never had this kind of surgery before, and I don't know how I'm going to recover. Obviously, I'm going to be recovering slowly, but it's also a big and stressful week because on top of me having my surgery recovery, we're also moving to a 3-bedroom apartment. We were actually not supposed to move until the 6th of March. So this is kind of sprung on us very quickly. We actually found out that we were getting the move date changed the day I found out what time my surgery would be. So it was all just a very stressful day for us, and we had to figure out, you know, all of the little details and things. But anyway, with that being said, I'm not going to be able to do much, like when it comes to moving and everything. I'm going to have to be on bed rest. I'm not going to be able to really do much because moving requires you to use those stomach muscles, and I can't do that. So, I'm going to probably be planning if I can set up. I might be sleeping, honestly, because we are moving on Friday the 16th. So I don't know if I will still be in recovery mode or not. Like I said, this is my first surgery, so I literally have no idea what to expect. But the good thing is my parents are coming down to help us move because I'm not able to actually help. They're going to help us, and also, you know, keep an eye on Bruce, because if you guys have seen any of my videos before, he is a very happy boy and he loves to be center of attention 24/7. He's a golden retriever, so it makes sense. I actually really love the puppy dog stickers in this kit because it reminds me of Bruce when he was a puppy. He looked exactly like that, except for, you know, golden and not gray. But I still thought it was a very cute little, I think the puppy is adorable. Do you guys have any Valentine's Day plans? Are you doing anything? This video is coming up on Valentine's Day, so if you guys are doing anything, that's so exciting. I know that there have been a couple of times when we as a family, when I was growing up, we went somewhere to eat. But one of my favorite Valentine's Day memories is actually when I did something, my sisters and I actually did something for my mom and dad. We ended up making them a little date night. It was the cutest, most fun thing that I can remember. I don't even remember how old I was, but I was old enough to help cook. So we made them spaghetti. We had a whole little appetizer kind of thing. We brought them out some garlic bread, and they got to sit down and they wanted to come in and help, and we were like, absolutely not, you cannot help. And we set them up a romantic little scene on the dinner table. So like we had a little tablecloth, and I think we lit a candle. All I remember is we had so much fun doing it. And then when it was time for dinner, we would eat all together at the dinner table as a family, but because we wanted to do this for my parents, we actually let them have the dinner at the dinner table together, and my sisters and I all ate in the kitchen while they could have their little fancy date night. And I think it was just so much fun. That was one of the best memories that I had of doing something for my family for Valentine's Day, and it's still something that I remember to this day. Nowadays, my parents go on little date nights every Friday, and I think it's so adorable. They always say, oh, it's date night, and I'm like, oh, that's so cute. Like, it's just so adorable to, they go and get groceries. That's their little date night, but they usually go out to eat. I know that some of their favorite places are Cracker Barrel and Panda Express. Those are their two places that they always tell me that they're going, and I'm like, oh, guys, like, you guys are too adorable. I just love it. So yeah, that's my little memory of Valentine's Day, and I think I mentioned this in my Our Take Plan with Me earlier this week, but when I was, you know, growing up, my dad would give us a little Valentine's Day present. So he would give us like a little box of chocolates and sometimes like a little stuffed animal, because we never had, at least I think all three of us never had any like boyfriend relationship kind of thing growing up in high school. So dad would always give us a little Valentine's Day present for just father to daughter, and it was the cutest thing. I remember waking up, kind of like, you know, waking up on Christmas morning, but instead of having presents, there was chocolate, which some would say is even better. I personally love chocolate, so I'm not going to say it's better or worse. It's just a happy, you know, surprise. Do you guys eat a lot of chocolate on Valentine's Day, or do you kind of just, is it just another day for you? Personally, for me, now that I'm older and I'm, you know, out of high school and stuff, it's just a normal day for me. You know, sometimes I will see little Valentine's Day chocolates in the store and I'll get one. But this year, because I'll be in surgery, Valentine's Day is just going to be a normal day for me. No chocolate, no nothing. But I will have a large chocolate bar as soon as I am in full recovery and able to have, you know, normal foods again. I will celebrate Valentine's Day after that. I'm a huge chocolate person. I love chocolate, so anytime I have an excuse to eat chocolate, I will take it. I'm literally just adding the last finishing touches. I actually forgot about the hydrating stickers that this kit has. I forget every single time I have this kit, but this is actually something that I need to make sure I'm doing this week, because I need to make sure I'm hydrating. I need to make sure that I'm drinking a lot of fluids, because, you know, I'll be sleeping a lot and just recovering, so I need to get the fluids, you know, get everything healed nice and properly. So hydration is very important, and every time I use this kit, I'm like, oh, hydration stickers, yes, I need them. So yeah, I'm just adding the little pieces of deco and the hydration stickers, and then we are pretty much good to go. All right, everyone, that is it for this week in my Hobonichi Cousin daily pages using the lovely kit by PlannerSisterSticker. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you liked the way I set this up. My intention was to use more of this washi, but as you saw, I ran out. So unfortunately, I can't continue using the washi because there's no more left. But this was a very fun spread to create. I love the theming. I love the cute little full boxes here, and I'm so happy that there was enough to fill each day. I definitely didn't have to do multiple boxes in some of these spreads, like in the full boxes. I definitely didn't have to do that, but I wanted to because I just felt like it needed it, and that's how I do things. Like I said, this video is part of the YouTube Collab Loop, so if you are wanting to see the rest of these videos, please don't forget to check out the description box below for the next video in the loop, as well as the various playlists related to each category of planning that I do. So art prompt journal books, different kinds of planning content, and lots of things for you guys to check out. And please subscribe to all of them if you haven't already. Like their videos, give them some comments, let them know what you liked about their video. We really appreciate any and every bit of support that we can get, especially those of us who are trying to get monetized. We really appreciate each and every one of you, and we really, really enjoy doing these videos and these loops. It's such a great way to connect with people. So I really hope you guys are enjoying them just as much as I do. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you enjoyed all of the other videos in the loop, we would really appreciate any and every bit of support that you guys can give us, either by subscribing, liking, commenting, all of the above. It helps us out, and it really shows us that, like, you guys really like the video, and we want to be able to continue to do these videos if you like them. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, craft on. Happy Valentine's Day, guys. Bye!